Aston Martin have always been known for combining style, elegance and performance, and the DB9 is no exception. First revealed at the 2003 Frankfurt Auto Show, the DB9 proved to be an extremely successful marque, attracting very positive reviews from car critics regarding both styling and performance. Aston Martin went on to use this model as the base for the GT1 and GT3 race cars, further proving the model's racing and performance capabilities. This particular car is fitted with a 362 cubic inch, 444 horsepower V12 engine. This car accelerates 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.7 seconds.